Welcome to the channel STRYI Chisels for Woodcarving. Today, we're reviewing a set of 4 knives designed for geometric carving, which allows you to easily create precise triangular ornamental patterns in just 3 movements. The set includes 4 knives of different widths, 25, 30, 35 and 70 millimeters, providing maximum control and versatility for working on everything from fine details to deeper elements. It's ideal for creating crisp geometric shapes, triangles, diamonds, stars, and complex ornaments with ease. Thanks to the well-designed blade geometry, every cut is clean, neat, and controlled, while the high-carbon U8 steel ensures long-lasting sharpness and consistent performance, even with intensive use. The ergonomic handle, made from natural walnut, sits comfortably in the hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged work. Handcrafted. Each tool is made with attention to detail and quality. And to make sure you don't miss new videos reviewing carving sets, subscribe to the channel.